Bleh, bleh. 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 You're ruining my voice. Thank you. Old school. Hey YouTube.
Audrey, would you still love me if I look like this all the time? What? You didn't love me? Shut up. It's fun. Money.
Oh, that's not fun. We just went out in the snow. Off on the 17th of June. I am so excited for Alice Really?
Well, ow. Well, that was that grown man that took me out. Well, he was kind of cute. Richard. And Kelly, I still love you.
I always loved you, but not like that. You're my favorite one. Am I making progress? You might want to tell me no, but your body's really high. Yes. God bless, I must confess. I love this song. I used to know it for that.
I know it's.
In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. Forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get up in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the rolls. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my piggy's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Chris fill cups like double D. Once more when we leave them dead. We want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed that say
Valentine's Day blues.
Give me a kiss.
Just saying. Stop it! Watch, some creepy old man's gonna be watching this.
He's gonna be like, I got it, baby.
He's
gonna be like the priest from Little Mermaid.
Boner! September.
September?
October. She's supposed to be in college too.
September. All are some douchebags, and I don't like you guys right now. And you can ask Jasmine because I've cussed you out on the text messages and on Ubu and on the phone with her. So you know what?
BAM! You need to check out Joe Coy. You need to Google, YouTube, whatever, Joe Coy. You need to watch his video. Funny shit.
Tang Tang!
Daddy, look at my ting ting.
Daddy!
That's the Native American, because I am half Native American, if you believe it.
People, guys. Oh shit.
Mwah. That's being creepy old dude.
Yeah. Baby.
That was my laugh. That's your laugh.
That was my laugh.